Auntie. Auntie wrote there's a playground.
Oh, there's a playground. Where's the playground? Show me. Show Auntie Priscilla.
Can you see? You don't know?
You see? Show Auntie Priscilla.
How we go first?
Where? You are our tour guide. You must show us. Huh?
1, 2, 3, normal.
Look like here.
Oh, okay. Come, we go that side. Take picture there. Come this side here. Come take picture there. You and her. Stand. In the middle. This side. Okay, look. Smile. Priscilla, look. Good girl, nice.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Can you tell me your name?
Mm-hmm.
Rocky? Your name is Rocky? Can I give you a name?
Yes.
Yeah.
Give her a name. Rosie now.
Rosa. You want Rosa?
You
Okay,
see, that's the
bye-bye.
name, yeah. Hmm.
Okay, Tom, let's go to the next one.
Okay. Say bye-bye. Oh, she's following you. Bye. Bye, boy. Oh, she like you, Rihanna. Oh, she like you.
See you next time. I will come here next time. Okay?
See you next time, okay? Oh, you're so sweet.
I
Oh,
hope the mother to shout.
yes.
Because last time this bird let us attack.
Oh,
After
hi.
the mother
Bye-bye.
shouted.
Okay.
Hello.
You say hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Is anybody here? You're not answering.
What are they doing here? Then
The fixing. Before it's all green. I think they wanna make it more beautiful.
Hello. Me. Hello. Hello.
they're not so.
Oh, they say hello to you back. Oh,
How are you? Where are you? You don't want to come.
you don't wanna talk.
Hello. 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 Hello.
This one is beautiful.
Hello. No,
They're
he's
sleeping.
Here. He's in the outside.
Oh, there.
Oh,
What
where is
is
she?
it?
They're two, not one.
Oh, she's so gorgeous.
Someone say hello.
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 Hello, gorgeous.
Are you good? Oh
They
no,
are
the
too.
mama's angry.
Oh,
Hello.
hello.
How are you? Oh,
They're so gorgeous. Oh,
are you good? Oh yeah, he said yes.
oh said yes.
Yeah, this is beautiful. Yeah, they can. No, they can climb. Hello, her name.
Wow,
Wow, he can
she's so
hold it.
cute.
Oh, hello. What's your name?
She's so cute.
Aww.
Uh-huh.
Give me it. He's eating.
you're so cute. Hello, you're so gorgeous. Hi. Hey, don't put your finger.
Yeah, just like put your finger.
Yes.
Hello.
Wow, you're so gorgeous, man. You're so gorgeous.
And he knows how to eat.
Wow.
Oh, good how to eat.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're a talented.
She was showing off. To feed the duck.
Come, let's go.
Come, let's go.
Are you good? How are you?
Hello.
How are you? Are you good? What are you doing?
It's feeding time.
Are you eating? Okay, they do what to do. Hello? Hello?
Baya kudu mandam. Baya kudu.
Now let's go to the empty road. Oh, hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. What's your name?
Hi.
His name is Sam. He
Ah.
said their name. He said Sam.
Ah.
Oh, hello, Sam. Are you good? Okay. Let's go to the red one, the rainbow one. Come here.
Big one, Priscilla. Hey.
You already take a photo.
Yeah. You want photo?
Yeah.
Okay, come. I'll go. Go look there. Look. Look at me, ow.
Oh.
Ah, with the snake. Oh, nice. See? Oh, now you're happy. You see you. Ah,
Look.
you see?
There's a big snake.
Mm.
That's the snake.
Wait.
Oh,
Maybe
there,
upstairs.
there, look.
Oh, in front of you.
It's closed.
Mm.
Wait, I see a lizard now. Auntie, look.
Yes.
The lizard.
Oh, the lizard. Mm. And what do you have
They're
here?
hiding in the sky.
Oh, hiding, hey?
There's another one. Come see.
Oh. What's that? Oh, big one. Oh, big one.
Wait, come here. There's something there. Snake.
Oh, Rosie. You see, Rosie. There's Rosie. Hello, Rosie. Hello, Rosie.
But the one home is Rosie. Oh!
Oh, so gorgeous. Hello, Mama. Hello, Mama. Oh, your baby is following
Hello,
you.
Fifi. Oh, hello, Fifi.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, there's more here.
Oh, yeah. You want? You want? Take photo, yeah. Okay. Do, yeah. Go the other side, yeah. I'll take photo. Mm. Smile here. Look at me.
Hello.
Hey, nice.
How are you?
Nice. Nice.
Yeah. No, it's nice.
Guys,
Say
just
nice.
look at me. Don't look at me.
Oh.
And look, there's a sister behind her.
Oh, they are sister.
Wait,
Okay, we're going up.
there's something. The left. There, but wait, there's more here. This snake is like sour hiding in there. There, you need to go there.
Yeah, come go inside. See?
I finished mine.
Oh, nice. Now you're happy. Oh, drink your drinks
Oh,
now.
wait, we need to go up.
Yeah, there's have more snake day.
No, that thing is for every. No, it's for frogs. I cannot touch because I touched the food. And I dropped this ball under there.
There's another one there. Oh, this is one. Hello. Hello, gorgeous. You must come.
Oh, there's more dogs.
Yeah, I told you. You're supposed to put more here. Then also that side.
But that's not too much. That's why.
Yeah, now gonna rain. Okay.
Why did they go in there?
Go inside first.
Okay, after that.
Yeah. Because when gonna rain.
Wait, the people are going in there.
Yes. Go inside first.
Hello. Where's the sanitizer?
It's finished. Okay.
Oh, there are too many.
Yeah, they are hiding. They are hiding, Rihanna. No, bukan ito.
I think we must. What do they want? Oh.
There are so many.
Can we come now?
Okay, here we can go out this side.
Can we go there now?
What you want?
Remember this
Okay, what you want there?
ice cream.
Ice cream. Okay, we go ice cream. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Ay, pull.
Go.
Okay. Okay, pull. Okay. Thank you, Rihanna.
Welcome.
Good girl, Rihanna.
To my side. Oh.
So where are we going here? Here's the peacock. Here's the peacock. Hello, peacock.
This one
Can you show us
always
your?
stay out.
I think so.
Yeah.
Show your beautiful peacock. No, Rihanna, don't be too close.
Gorgeous peacock. Can
Show
you show
us.
us a wing?
Can you show us your wing? You're gorgeous. Show us, please. Wait. You're gonna show us. Wait. Show us your beautiful.
Okay, she don't want to come.
Yeah, she don't wanna show.
Yeah, I think she don't like the thunder. That's why she's not showing her
Yeah.
beautiful wings.
So what you want now? Okay, show me.
Ice cream.
Show me. Show me.
And then
Take what you want. Take what you want.
Is this nice?
Try whatever you like. Yeah.
And you want?
Don't worry, I have here. Yeah. Okay, you're welcome.
well balanced. Yeah.
Hello.